Online businesses use copywriting for SEO. Online businesses use these optimized copywriting articles to sell their products and services effectively. That's why it is interesting that you can create your website or business online.
Yes!
If you know how to make a good SEO content strategy using copywriting, you will gain many clients and generate many sales. You will have enormous potential for generating income online once you know how to use article writing optimized for search engines, copywriting, and internet marketing tools. These facts are why SEO techniques and copywriting are said to form the modern concept of what is known as internet marketing.
Yes!
After watching this video, you should have a better understanding about this topic. If you still have any question, please ask.
Ask, please.
Use the comment section. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies that will help you grow your online business. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way, you will receive alert in your YouTube account and in your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email free internet marketing information on a regular basis, which will help you grow your online business faster. You don't have to pay anything for it. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.